Frying mackerel in Salad Master cookware, the bad boy, that is the electric skillet, that's frying it without oil, and so you have to preheat the skillet for 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And when the 5 minutes is over, we have to use water to test and see if it has really preheated, and the water will sizzle in the pan. Good. So it is now ready to fry. Remember, we are not frying with any oil. So the cookware is clean. Then I put my fresh mackerel that I've washed and prepared round. Good. Cover up. Set your temperature 350 degrees and 12 minutes. At the end of the 12 minutes, we'll check it. You flip over and you flip it. You can wait a little bit so that it will cool down, and you can easily lift it up. But if it is still sizzling, it might stick a little bit, but that's fine. Flip it over. Set another 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Then allow it to cook for that time. Good, it's cooked now, but I need to allow it to cool down a little so that I can easily bring it out from the pot. Okay, it has cooled down for about 3 minutes. You can allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes, and it will be very easy for you to lift up from the pan. But if you do it immediately, it might be sticky. Okay, so that's it. Frying fresh mackerel from the scratch in my electric skillet, and that's the finished product. Enjoy.